Hello, everyone. I hope you're all well. Today, I'm going to talk about how to speak in English very fluently and within very short time. So, guys, first you have to know that what is this speaking English? What is this spoken English? So, speaking English is what? Just one person make a questions, another person will answer the questions. That is spoken, nothing else. But it's a sad matter that maximum learners they can answer the question, but they cannot make the questions. So so they will get the what how to solve the problems, how to make the questions I've given here. So this is very helpful. So it is very easy to them. So can I say how to make the questions? Just you have to know the fast here. And so, guys, if you know the words here, says how to speak English, definitely you'll be the expert in IELTS, TOEFLs, SAT, GRE, and so all. See, and so the academic English, you'll be the expert, and so you wanna be expert in so level English. So that all will be the okay for you. So you will be there. You can make yourself smart, better way. So let's see how to speak in English. That is the first way. Question number one. So will you tell me something? There's a question here, and it's a tense. It's a word with tense. That is future indefinite tense. So your answer will be future indefinite tense. Can you see here? Will you tell me something? Answer is here. Yes, I will. And so when you give the no, I won't. Just remember that you don't write the whole sentence, this type of thing. Somebody is telling you, well, tell me something. They're telling you, yes, I'll tell you something. No, don't tell. Your smart answer is that here, so it's given the yes, I will. And so we tell them no time. No, I won't. And don't write that. No, I won't tell you some things. I won't tell you something. Don't write. Clear? It's very smartly. And guys, there's some students, some learner, they memorize huge sentences without understanding. So don't do that, guys. Because if you learn this way, you can speak in English within some days or 1 month or 2 months. But after 1 month or 2 months, after some days, you'll forget. Your spoken English won't be the universal English, permanent English. Okay? So, guys, don't do that. My suggestion is don't do that. Try to understand this way. And that is so much easier way. And it will be helpful so much to you. And so you never forget how to speak English. And the your whole time, you can speak English fluently. So, be careful. Don't do that. So let's see here. Next question number two. I make the questions the subject here. So that's a who. That is a word. Who will tell me something? That is a question. Who will tell me something? Answer is I'll. I. There's a word. You answer is I. I will tell you something. And so question number three. Whom? That means what? I have made the questions object. So that's why who objective form is whom. So you have to bring this first here. Whom? That is the word here. Whom? That's why which person you have done the questions. You cannot keep your sentence. That will be removed. So that's where whom will tell some things, but have no me here. So that is because I have done the questions on me. So that's why whom will you tell me something? There is a home told us has something. So if you're telling them very fastly and it's not listening, the times you consider home tell something. Answer I will tell something. Same, so guys, the answer is the one, but your question making pattern is different. So that's why You have to give the more importance how to make the questions. And question number 4, what will you tell me? So I have made the questions is something. That is the word, this way, what? It's a here, another something. So what will you tell me? So I said, who can tell us, anybody else? What will you tell me? What will you tell me? Right? What will you tell me? Answer is, I'll tell you something. Question number 5. What will you do means something. Can you see here? I have made the questions is a tail verb. So there's a to have no air verb. Can you see here? And every question made from the number 1 question from here. So this sentence base. So here can you see here? So I have done the tell. You share. It's a to. So that is the very important. So you have to notice this part. So can you see here is what will it do me something? Answer is the same here. I'll tell something. And question number 6. When you tell me something, when you tell me something, can you see the different questions that say they want the time, so you have to tell us time. It's your matter, you can write your finger. So answer is over here. I'll tell something tomorrow. So I'll slice it, you can tell I'll tell something tomorrow. Tomorrow. So it's the times, tomorrow is time. So you can give them word here, another things, many things you can either tomorrow and say you can either next year, next time, after a few moments later. It is your matter. You can give the any times that indicate the future. So you can give yourself that making this purchase. So you have to answer this part here. And question number 7. How will you tell me something? That is how, this is it. How to tell me something? How to tell me something? So answer is I'll tell you something secretly. Secretly. Okay, it's a secretly. So you can write the words in many ways here. The secretly, so in details and in shortly. So your matter is and it's clearly, so it is your matter. So which way you can express. I have written the one here, so you can write yourself. It's answer. What you think? Okay, question number 8. Where will you tell me something? Where will tell me something? There's a place. This indicate the place. So that's the answer will be what is you have to get the place. And so I'll tell you something at home. I'll tell you something at home. There's a home is a place. You can write the words whole fish. You can write I'll tell something in my residence. So you can use anywhere places. That will be very meaningful. So it is their matter. You have freedom to do that. Just try to do that. So which you can do that. And so question number 9. Why will you tell me something? What is the reason? Is it, is that in there? Why will you tell me something? And so I'll tell you something for you forfeit. For you forfeit. For you forfeit. Can I say for you forfeit? And so there are huge ones, you can write this, but I bring the for you forfeit. So it depends on you, just which you can do, but you have to maintain that structure because it's a grammar. So guys, you cannot violate this grammar. So if you're another high-level speaker, definitely you have to maintain the grammar. So I think this year everyone is educated people, so you should do that. So we're not educated, they can also speak in English, but their speaking is not high-level speaking. To understand, their speaking is not standard. They can speak, but that is not speaking. You know that. What the educated people, their speech, their body language, everything is different. So their speaking should be different. So don't make yourself as an uneducated speaker. Okay, as the last number is a 10 number question. Which thing will you tell me? So it's the same thing. So there's a what and this one is that, but it's a different pattern. You can make this one. What thing will tell me? What thing will tell me? What thing will tell me? So answer is I'll tell you some things. So simple things, guys. There's that where I have done here is a future independent tense. So you can do others tense here as well. So I think that's if you do the more 5 or 6 tense if you do this way, 5 or 10, 16, here's the 10 sentences, you can see. But so if you do this only the 70 or 60 or 70 sentences, so you'll be the expert speaker. Believe me that. So you'll try yourself, which I am doing that. This is the same structure, so there is all spoken English here. At the times, you can be expert in English. I think within 10 minutes, I think within 10 minutes, you will give them very attentively. You have to read this. But some learners, they think about that. So, well, it doesn't matter. I know that. They just neglect that. That means they neglect themselves. So, but the thing was, there was nothing. It's not important for us. But try to understand that. Try to read that. Which mass is given that. Okay, guys, I think this will be the benefited from here. So if you stay with my channel, you can get every grammars, and that will be different of others English in the world. You can get that. My teaching is different, and so you cannot match others teaching. So try to see the new things and do the strategy, and this is the strategic way, and that will be, I think that's the future best English, because we're everyone being so fast, our everything being so fast, so our education should be fast, and also it should be very smart. So well, guys, bye.